Hey guys, let's go over this question about standard deviation and mean. The test scores from students in the physics class are shown 76. So that's my first, second, third, fourth, fifth number. Find the mean. The mean is taking the numbers and getting a summation, the total. So if you add all these numbers up, 76 plus 94 plus 82 plus 77 plus 84 divided by, there's 5 numbers, that's what the n is. You'll get 416 over 5, and that'll give you 82.6. Okay, so now we're going to calculate standard deviation by hand. So x, let me write down the formula. Standard deviation is the square root of the summation of all your numbers subtracted by the mean squared divided by n. And the n is in the square root. So the data points, the first number is 76. Second number, 94. x3, the I becomes the number in the list. So this would be 82. x4 is 77. x5 is 84. Okay, next we're going to take the value, and now we're going to subtract it by this number here. The x bar. So the x bar is 82.6. And so I have all of these numbers. Let's do some magic. Okay, close enough. Okay, when you subtract those values, you will get negative 6.6, 11.4, negative 0.6, negative 5.6, and then 1.4. The common mistake for students, because they didn't write down the formula, is you take the value, so right here in red, and then you're going to square the value. So you have to use parentheses. So you're taking the data point subtracted from the mean and you're squaring it. Okay, when you do that, you will get 43.56. And here, that's when I rounded to the nearest hundredth, 2 decimal places just to make it easier. Okay, if you look back at your formula, we've done all these things. Now we're going to do the summation. So if you add up all of these values, add them up, you will get 207.2. Okay, you could do 2 things here. You can, what I did is I just took this value and divided by n. So when you do 207.2 divided by 5, that in green gives me 41.44. And I still need to take the square root. When I take the square root of that number, I will get 6.437. And then it did tell us to round to the nearest tenth. So looking at this number, what does that become? It stays. So my answer is, the standard deviation is 6.4, and the mean is 82.6.